Hey everyone, today we're talking about GEICO Mobile, the insurance management app from GEICO that lets you handle your auto and other policies right from your phone. If you're already a GEICO customer or you're thinking about switching, this app is worth knowing about because it puts a lot of insurance tasks in one place, instead of making you call or log in on a computer. Right when you open the app, you get a clean dashboard showing your active policies, payment info, and upcoming bills. One of the biggest conveniences is that you can view and download your insurance ID cards instantly, perfect for roadside stops or sending proof of insurance without fumbling through emails or paperwork. You can also check your coverage details and limits, which makes it easier to understand what you're paying for without hunting through a PDF. Making payments and managing billing is straightforward. You can set up automatic payments, pay a one-time bill, or change your payment method without calling support. The app sends reminders and alerts so you're less likely to miss a due date and get hit with a late fee. That alone can save a lot of stress over time. Another thing that stands out is the claims experience. If you ever need to file a claim after an accident, the app walks you through the process step by step. You can upload photos, enter accident details, and track your claim status right in the app instead of calling or mailing documents. For people who dread the paperwork side of insurance, having it in your pocket makes it much less intimidating. The app also offers extras like roadside assistance access, coverage quotes if you're thinking about adding policies, and even educational resources that explain common insurance questions in plain language. It's not overcomplicated, but it doesn't feel bare bones either. Of course, it's not perfect. Some users report occasional glitches when loading heavy documents or viewing historical statements, and the few features feel more like a link out to the website rather than a true in-app experience. But overall, the most commonly used tasks, payments, ID cards, claims, and policy overviews, work smoothly and quickly. In short, GEICO Mobile is a solid, reliable insurance management app that saves you time by putting policy details, payments, IDs, and claims at your fingertips. It won't replace talking to an agent when you need personalized advice, but for everyday insurance needs, it's definitely worth having on your phone. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest app breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what app you want reviewed next.